Well, that's right, the market is on the verge of collapsing, and although today's reaction is quite promising, it still lacks the strength to actually reverse the thesis of an exhausted market trying to signal a top over here. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you exactly what the market needs to do to reject this bearish thesis over here and keep going up, and of course what to do if it starts to fall even further. So yes, we're gonna study a few scenarios together over here and see what we can do. But first, welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan. It is a pleasure to see you guys over here. I'm the founder of the 5% project. If you are looking for consistent profits and you are tired of letting the professionals rip off your hard-earned cash, well, then I invite you to join the 5%. You get 7 days for free. Yes, that's right, totally free. So join us right now and let's work together to achieve excellent performance as we always do. The performance you deserve, all right? So join us over there. Now, SPY. Making a bullish reaction today, yes, this is a good bullish reaction. It is not great, it is not amazing, it is not perfect, but it is a decent one. This bullish reaction has a name. It is called bullish harami candlestick pattern. A bullish harami is usually a bullish signal. It is not that reliable, but it is interesting to see this harami appearing right above the 21 MA on the daily chart, all right? A crystal clear support level, making a false breakout of the moving average. I mean, yesterday we lost the 21 MA, we closed below this indicator, and right now we are making a bullish reaction, trying to close above this indicator, trying to frustrate a bearish thesis over here, but it is not materializing a bullish signal yet. It is not rejecting a bearish scenario yet. QQQ is facing a similar challenge over here. However, QQQ is not breaking the 21 MA properly on the daily chart. And by the way, the 21 MA means 21 exponential moving average, all right? We are not closing above this key point yet, at least the moment I'm recording this video, of course, but it is making a similar bullish harami candlestick pattern, and it is very good to see this harami appearing right above the $434, which seems to be the most important support level for QQQ, mid-term speaking, on the daily chart. If you ask me, in my humble opinion, only by losing 434, tech stocks are going to trigger a sharper, more problematic correction, all right? As long as QQQ stays above 434, the situation will remain under control. Now, Nathan, what it takes for the indices to reject any possibility of a bearish scenario over here, of a further correction? Let me answer this question in a minute. First, guys, Microsoft. Very good reaction, okay? It is very good, right above the 21 MA on the daily chart. It feels like it wants to resume the bullish momentum, right? Because this is what Microsoft has been doing. We see higher highs, higher lows. Every single time we start to linger around the 21 MA, well, usually, so far, it has been just another opportunity to buy because the risk-reward ratio looks quite attractive, even if you are wrong, even if your trade fails over here. Since the risk-reward ratio makes sense, that's a valid trade to do, all right? This is what I always recommend to the members of our Telegram channel. If you want to buy something, buy near a support level because good risk-reward ratio. If you lose money, you're going to lose a little bit. If this works out for you, well, then you're gonna make much more money than you would lose if you were wrong. So, okay, valid bullish reaction right above the 21 MA. That's very good. Apple, well, we don't see any meaningful bullish reaction on Apple. Apple is quite bearish, just like Tesla, and what's the problem over here? If we see the indices, if we see QQQ losing 434, I believe Apple could easily lose the 167 support level, which is the support level of this long-term congestion, which we see since July last year, right? So by losing this key point, then I believe Apple is going to retest the 157 next technical support level. NVIDIA is trying to follow what QQQ is doing, all right? Just like QQQ is still above 434, we see Nvidia above $841, which is, to me at least, its most important technical support level. If we're gonna see Nvidia reversing the bullish bias, we gotta lose 841. All right, that's the most important support level. As long as we stay above 841, no bearish reaction is going to occur. We may consider this just another pullback in a bull trend. All right, Nathan, what if we see Nvidia reversing its bullish bias as well? Then I see a sharper correction on the weekly chart, and of course the materialization, that's a very hard word to pronounce, of this top signal on the weekly chart. All right, then okay, then I believe we're gonna see a sharper correction to our next support level. Amazon is looking very strong right now at this moment. In fact, it is looking very good. It just broke this ascending triangles chart pattern upwards, suggesting further bullish continuation. Any pullback to the 180s would be totally normal, harmless, acceptable, and probably another buying opportunity. Google is making a pullback around the 152. It is making a bullish reaction. This is called piercing line candlestick pattern above a support level. It is also a very good reaction. Meta is the best stock of this week, right? Among the Magnificent Seven, of course, it is the best one, going up more than 8% the moment I'm recording this video. It is looking very good. Meta is quite funny because it is quite technical. I mean, we saw a breakout of this congestion over here on February this year. We did an upwards breakout, and then we retested the previous resistance level as a support level on March 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times right now in April, and right now we are retesting the previous resistance level. So it feels like we see another congestion over here above the previous congestion. All right, this is a quite technical movement, but guys, it is still a bull trend. Tesla is clearly bearish, unlike most of the other stocks over here. Just like Apple, it is clearly bearish. It is dropping almost 4% right now. Wow, that's a catastrophe. We are dropping. Do we see any bottom signal? No, there is not a single bottom signal. There is not a single bullish reversal chart structure on the daily chart that would convince me that now Tesla is gonna fly. No, there is no such reaction. In fact, the 175 resistance level was a previous target for us. I did warn you guys on our Telegram channel that yes, the 175 along with the 21 EMA on the daily chart, these key points, which seems to be a dual resistance level, is the most important challenge for Tesla. I'm not gonna count on a breakout of this resistance level yet. And well, right now we are crashing 4% again because this resistance level is extremely dangerous. We gotta watch out for this key point. A few days ago, I did say to you guys, well, it is technically speaking, it is a buy. Target 175, but guys, don't expect a breakout, okay? The target is 175. All right, that's the most important resistance level, okay? Right now we are back to the 164 support level. At least, guys, at least we are not losing this key point yet. So it is not like a dramatic bearish reaction, but what do I see over here? I see a very dangerous chart pattern called head and shoulders chart pattern. Yes, it is around a bottom signal. I rather prefer to see such bearish pattern when we are near a top level, all right? But right now we are near a bottom level, but still, it is a valid bearish chart structure. And if we don't see a miraculous reaction over here as soon as possible, along with the breakout of the 175 area, we are not gonna see a real reversal. So either way, it feels like in the end, the 175 along with the 21 EMA, these key points are going to be our major, they are still our major resistance levels to work with. So it is extremely important for you to pay attention to this. Of course, it is not as important as to click the like button and subscribe this channel if you are new around here, because guys, every single day, high quality analysis, high quality content. I'm gonna keep you guys updated on what's going on this crazy weird market, so consider subscribing this channel. Join the 5% project, detach yourself from the other 95% of traders who can't make money consistently, calmly, stress-free in this crazy weird market. So come on, join the 5% project. I highly appreciate your support, my dear friends. See you guys next Monday. Stay safe. Bye bye.